How to change Grab location. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Grab application is updated to its latest version on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Grab application. Now make sure that you're logged into your account over here. Now to change the Grab location, all you have to do is tap on the account section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on down and you can see the option of saved places over here. Tap on that. And here you can just add home, add work, or add new favorite places. So you can just tap on add new or add home. And here you can choose the location that you want to have for yourself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.